back to Nurse Housekeeping and Travel Tips channel. Today's topic is Melamine Sponge. When I stayed at the hotel and sent pictures to my friend, she asked me, what do housekeepers use for cleaning? Why is the sink so shiny? Well, this is a secret. We use this melamine sponge for cleaning sink and bathtub. I didn't know and I've never used it until I started working as a room attendant. But I found out this item makes the sink and the bathtub clearly shiny. We usually call it white sponge or magic sponge at work. This is a picture of the package at work, and it says multi-use eraser. You can find a similar product in any supermarket. Mr. Clean brand calls Magic Eraser, and Great Value brand at Walmart calls Miracle Cleaning Eraser that I have now at home. Let's see the cleaning example. To clean the sink and bathtub, you don't need detergent. All you need is water. Get soaked, squeeze lightly, and scrub. You can use it for lime scale on the walls in the bathroom. We sometimes see the white line on the wall, and my supervisor Carrie taught me that those are soap. And the magic sponge works to erase those white lines. You can also use this sponge for the refrigerator and oven. I didn't know until I saw the package. Just remember, do not use chlorine and hot water. This sponge gets damaged very easily. It shrinks or breaks apart, so we replace new ones on a daily basis. However, these are more expensive than regular sponges according to one of my managers. So here is a method to use effectively. I want to show you what my supervisor Carrie taught me. So do not throw away and please keep the shrunken and broken sponges. We can remove the black stains on the bathroom tiles. Of course, we sweep with spray and dust cloth every day, but deep stains remain. Before you throw it away, use it like this. You might not recognize the big difference because of the video quality. I'm sorry about that. But you can make the faded tiles brighter. I wrote the product details in the description box, so please take a look. Next time, I'm going to talk about Coinstar. This topic will be useful for both guests who don't want to carry heavy changes and the room attendants who get a lot of coins as tips from those guests. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to push the thumb up button and subscribe. See you soon!